We usually pay enough attention to our bodies when it comes to exercising, but we forget that our face muscles may need to work out as well. And it's not just about getting a defined jawline. An expert suggests that performing these exercises may help prevent neck pain, headaches, and jaw pain. The Healthy Hacks team prepared for you 5 simple yet effective exercises that will help you tone your muscles and give your jaw a more defined look. 1. The Jawbone Restorer. How to do it. Put your thumbs below your chin, side by side. Then slightly push your chin down, creating resistance, and slowly slide your thumbs along your jawline to your ears. Duration. Repeat 10 times. Effect. This exercise helps make your jawline more strong and defined. 2. The Sagging Chin Exercise. How to do it. Sit at a table and put your fists under your chin. Keep your elbows on the table. Slowly and gently try to open your mouth, still pushing your fists up, creating resistance. Hold for a little while and release. Duration. Repeat 10 times, and do 3 sets, if you're ready. Effect. This exercise works your under chin area, making it more toned and sculpted. 3. The Chin-Up Exercise. How to do it. Close your mouth and slowly push your jaw forward, lifting your lower lip up. Feel how the muscles stretch. Stay in this position for about 10 seconds, and do the exercise again. Duration. Repeat 3 sets of 15 reps. Effect. This exercise promotes the uplifting of your facial muscles in the lower part of your face. 4. The Vowel Sounds Exercise. How to do it. Your goal is to open your mouth as wide as possible, saying O and E sounds. Be sure to articulate the sounds and engage your muscles. Try not to touch or show your teeth. Duration. Repeat 3 sets of 15 reps. Effect. This exercise tones the muscles located around your mouth and lips. 5. The Collarbone Backup Exercise. How to do it. Keep your head parallel to the floor, gently move it back to feel your muscles contract, and then return to the initial position. Duration. Repeat 3 sets of 10 reps. When you're ready, you can try staying in this position longer. Effect. This exercise perfectly engages the muscles under your chin. Do you train your face muscles? What other exercises do you perform? Do you like the results you're getting? Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that I subscribed and you can see what was going to happen.